This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. Company settings in QuickBooks Time is where you set up and manage important information like company details, account settings including payroll and overtime settings, location and geofencing settings, permission settings, notification settings, and more. Let's go over where everything is so you can get these settings right for your business. In QuickBooks Time, go to Company Settings. First, we see your company details. It's important to have all your company information filled out for authentication and billing purposes. Select Admin Contact to make sure the main account owner is listed. Select Custom Options to add a custom logo to the corner of your company account. Anytime you make a change, be sure to click Save before going to the next tab or closing the window. Next, in Account and Billing, you can manage your subscription. Make sure the correct contact is getting the invoice, and view your past billing history. In Accountant Access, you can invite your accountant to join QuickBooks Time and help manage your timesheets. If you already have an accountant accessing your account, you can see them here. Next, set up your payroll and overtime settings. In Pay Schedule, enter how frequently you run payroll. This is important for reports and overtime calculations. In Overtime, you can set up basic overtime rules, or select Use Pay Rate Engine for more advanced options. In Time Options, set up your account's preferred time zone and time format. Then, in Time Entry, you'll find a number of time entry settings and permissions you can set up. Anything here will be the company default. In Time Off, you'll find the basic time off entry settings, and you can select Set up Time Off to set up your time off codes. The Location tab is for our geofencing in Nearby Customers feature on mobile. Set up how you'd like to track location, enable and set up geofencing settings, and enable Nearby Customers if you want your team members to be notified if they arrive at a job site. Be sure you set up addresses in your customers list. Next, in My Team, you can set up permissions for how much your team can update personal settings, and set up access restrictions if you use QuickBooks Time on computers. In Notifications, you can set up clock in and out reminders, as well as geofencing, schedule, and time off notifications. These apply to all team members or the indicated user type. The system log displays all activity on your account for the past 90 days, including entries showing who has signed in, clocked in or out, adjusted time cards, left notes, installed add-ons, etc. Everything that is done on your account is recorded here with date and timestamps. You can download the system log if needed. Now you know how to manage your QuickBooks Time company settings.